Would be possible without our sponsor that. Entertain us tonight. Thank you so much, Teacher Julie. You can see how busy she is. She is the head of the batch cafe. So I'll take it right here. So this time, we are done with the introduction of the attendees per batch. This time around, we will be introducing, of course, the faculty and staff of FSU-CTI. Can you request the faculty and staff present here tonight, together with, of course, our dear principal, Dr. Salso G. Casamayor Jr.
First, it is the honor to be here on stage. Our faculty and staff are not all coming from Tatico. Others are coming from Biscuit, Butuan, Davao. So, others are not here, but ang mga taga-Trento na atin.
And while they're taking their photo opportunity here, we request the PMA officials present tonight to please prepare for your photo opportunity as well. And the alumni officers will be also given time to have your photo opportunity.
Thank you.
What about a resounding applause to our amazing mentors of FSU-CTI? Sila nila ang backbone nga nung ingon ani ang atong ang tulong haay.
Dahil Teacher Jessie, anak ang pagdating hindi na nabalik ano na mo. Nalitaw siya sa among panran, di ba? Mag-phone tao sa Eugene. Tapos dito kita sa to ang panran. Pero nag-respect ko na kasi sa legal. Una, mag-respect.
Katong nagtabi ko na ilan sa bangko. Katong year 1970, naapsan pa ko sa liga. Chika lang. Sir sa liga, we love you, sir.
Yes. And tonight, Sir Jessie, dili yun mainunani kanindot ang atong alumni, kamemora pa lang atong alumni. Kung wala tayo mga pasigar ko, di lang sa ato ang mga jubilarians ang 1998 o 1999.